everyone. So I have received a very nice kit from Global Beauty Secrets and I want to show you all what's inside this little baby. So let's begin. So the packaging looks really nice. You can see it's very beautiful, very rich. It looks very royal. And let's see what's inside this. It has 6 different soaps. Each soap has inspiration from beauty rituals from 6 different countries: Aztec, Japanese, Turkish, Iranian, Roman and French. My personal favorite is Iranian, and let's see how it looks. My personal favorite is this Iranian soap, and let me open this for you. So it looks like, let me remove the cover. It looks like this. The fragrance is very refreshing, very amazing. It comes with a cute little leaflet which has the information about the inspiration behind this product. So this is what the leaflet looks like. Let me open it for you. It has the information, what it does for you, also about the inspiration, how this product was inspired from beauty rituals of Iranian women. So the entire range of Global Beauty Secrets is available on LimeRoad and it has got some amazing offers too. So you must give it a try.